Hello class, Happy New Year and welcome to English 121 College Composition at Howard Community College. This is the transferable composition class that will transfer to most universities, and it is the only class at Howard Community College that every student is required to take. So we'll be along on this adventure together for the month of January. So a little bit about myself. I've been teaching at Howard Community College. I think this is like my 13th year. So I've had some experience. I have also two daughters in college. One is at University of Delaware and the other is at the Ohio State University. Got my sweatshirt on today because it's New Year's Day and tonight is the Sugar Bowl where Ohio State is playing. So now let me get started and tell you a little bit about the class. Hopefully you've made it this far. You're into the Canvas page. So what you'll see is our course homepage right here. And conveniently, there's a button that says Start Here. So that is where we're going to start. All right, this class is module driven. So that's how the navigation works. So you'll go through a series of modules. We have this introduction unit and then 3 units available for the class. So here's the first module, the overview, talks about what you'll learn during this unit, the assignments that you'll have, how long to take it, and then you can just work your way by clicking next, and that'll work you through all of the different units in the modules. The other thing you can do is you can press on modules here, then you'll see everything all together. Right now, you'll only see published the orientation module and all of Unit 1. I'll do Unit 2 and Unit 3. There'll be the 3 units total. I'll do those. Probably I'll open Unit 2 Friday of next week. And then once we've worked our way through Unit 2, then I'll open up Unit 3. I encourage you to work in advance. That's fine. I'll open 1 unit at a time so you can work through that in advance. Just pay attention to the due dates because we don't have a lot of time in this semester, right? We have just a little less than 4 weeks together. All right. Other things, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can email me from your HCC email at jgarner@howardcc.edu. But probably the easiest way is to just use the Canvas inbox, which is here on the toolbar on the left side, and send me messages that way. Those messages pop up on my phone. They pop up on my Canvas. Probably the easiest way for you to reach me. I think that's all I have now. So hopefully we have a great semester. I look forward to getting to know you all, at least virtually. And please, as always, let me know if you have questions at any time during the semester, and I'm happy to Zoom with you or respond to your emails. So everyone have a good beginning of the semester, and we'll be in touch.